Today at Mullin Machinery in New Jersey, we have a Morrison 3-inch hydraulic Keyseater. This will shave a key from up to 3 inches wide, up to 14 inches long. There's your stroke adjustments on the side. You loosen with an Allen key and slide the blocks up and down. Normally these have a smaller V on, but the shop this was in made their own V to stop the work. That's a pretty high one. And they made their own backstop block, I guess, whatever way they design their parts, that would push against the back of it. I don't have that against the back of the bar right now, but that goes against the bar. You loosen the handles, slide it forward to support it with the roller. Most bars I've seen have only had a single cut. This one, someone had multiple cuts, so you can put multiple cutting tools or move it up and down on the bar depending on what you're doing. We put a new rubber keypad on here, a couple buttons had fallen off. Currently wired for low voltage, 208, 220, 3-phase. Very important when you put the machine on. When you put power to it, before you turn anything on, or unplug the yellow plug going to the control. Do not have that plugged in when you first put it on. Come over here with a voltmeter. The wires go into that yellow plug, come up here to the bottom of the contactor, and check that from power to ground on each leg that it's 110, 120 volt to ground. If you have the delta system, one leg will be a bastard leg, and if you put that bastard leg to the control, you can burn it up. So it's very important to check that before you put the yellow plugs together on the side to run the control. Okay, so there's a kind of sequence of doing this. Pull the hydraulic out, hit hydraulic start. When that comes on, lights up. Then you can jog the table forward. If you change that, that will be a jogger increment. You're jogging the table forward to get it off the stop. Even though when it homes, it usually does that anyway. Well, let's see, we'll jog it 150 thousandths. Or 156. Or we'll go 160, we got to go back to 4 because it'll do whatever increments you're doing at. So now at 160, we'll put a feed back to 6 thousandths. Then on the keypad, you type how deep you want the cut to be. So just to make it simple, we're going to say 50 thousandths. We'll say 050. Then we go over, it's an inch. It's on auto, on. We go ram start, feed start. Oh, feed start. You'll see every time the ram strokes, it'll jump in 6 thousandths revolute per stroke, as per the side of that, till you get to 200, because we came in 150. Then it's 50. It was 160. So we're gonna. Here we go. 210. Now it's going to stop, and now it strokes several times after that to clean the cut up. I don't know, it was 3-4 times after that to clean the cut up. Once it's done cleaning the cut up, it will reverse and go back to 0. See it reversing? And then the ram stops. Let's shut the hydraulics off. So there you have it. Well-functioning machine. We did check that the retract, which is underneath, you'll see the screw that it retracts as it's coming up on the bar. That's working fine. Sometimes you get a bad coil on a hydraulic valve burn out, and that won't work, and then the tool will rub on the way up. There wasn't a problem on this machine, but we have seen it before, so that's something that's always important to check. Your one-shot oiler is working fine. There's You check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.